Hello, I'm Mark Quibbler coming from NSABC. Tonight, I have a very sad story. Recently, approximately 24 hours ago, one of the most famous artists of our time, Ana Gomez, has passed away. Doctors say that she had a rare degenerative disease, which they are now calling, named after her, Gomez dysphoria. The disease has broken down her immune system, and she died. We are now going to show you a clip, 2 hours before her death, of her last parting word.
Hello, America. This is Ana Gomez. The last message to you. I don't want to be remembered for dying young. And I don't want to be remembered for this horrible disease. I want to be remembered for inspiring you and starting a revolution of art. I want to be remembered for all the people I helped inspire and their movements. And I just want everybody to be unique and different. And this may not be a tragedy in some other people's eyes, because even though I am dead, my ideals and my vision will live on through you. I gotta stop. Please stop filming this.
And that, America, is the last image you will see of Ana Gomez.